everybody, I'm going to teach you how to make a nice doll dress. So here's my stand. So all you need is a ribbon, a sock, and ribbon. So I'm just going to get my doll. This can be an American Girl, any size, any doll that's just that size. It can just be a Monster High doll. So just get your doll, kind of measure, and then just cut where you want her dress to end. So there. So I'm just gonna cut. Just gonna cut that. So it should look like that or something like that. But you're gonna probably wonder, it's a bit short. Let's just see. Let's just put it in. So there. If you think that's a bit too small, well, you can add it to your personal like. That's all I have to say. So there's that. Let me just fix her hair. There we go. So yeah, that's her dress. Now with the ribbon, you're just gonna get it, and then tie a quick knot. Tie a bow in the back. I don't know how to bow. Don't you worry. But anyway, so yeah, that's the bow. It's not too good, but yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna teach you how to make a doll hat as well. So just get the end of the sock. This is my first time trying to make a doll hat, so sorry if I get it wrong. This is just an experiment. No, I can't put it that way. Just fold the bad bits in like this. And you can just put it on something like that. My doll's hair isn't flat enough. Let me just get another doll. Okay, so I've got another doll here, and let me see. Just take a very old one. That is very disgusting. Just ripping hairbands out of hair. Pick a random hand. My head worlds. Where's the hat one? Here it is. So let me just see. It might be a good idea if you wash it first though. So hat doesn't look too good, but hair's wild, so it doesn't matter. Could be like a little cute pillow. Anyways, actually that doesn't look nice, so I'm not going to do that. And then, finishing it off, I have a cute little, like, coat. So, just put her on. There we go. There we go. very goopy doopy. That is my doll. I'll just give you a little overview. Sorry, that was an experiment. So, might be a bit short, so let me just edit it a bit. That doesn't look too shorter, but so yeah. So please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.